You searched how to buy shares of Posti Group Oyj. Posti is Finland's national postal and logistics company trading on CBOE EU under the ticker POSTI.HE. This is an educational overview and not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker POSTI.HE to find the correct listing. Confirm the exchange and company name so you select the right asset. On the asset page, review basic company details and the price chart to confirm this is Posti Group Oyj. Check recent price movement and the listed exchange to be sure. Click Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the video description.